12-year-old Trinity Caso Perez out of New Jersey was pronounced dead on Saturday, May 25th, 2024. The Fort Lee Police Department responded to the home of Trinity Caso Perez, where she lived with her mother, after getting a call that there was an unconscious child in the home. When authorities got to the scene, they did see that Trinity Caso Perez was unresponsive. Her mother, Frances Caso, was in the home, as well as 3 unidentified juveniles. Now, Trinity was taken from the home and brought to a hospital where she was later pronounced dead. The preliminary report indicated that Trinity had actually passed away, most likely due to an overdose of drugs. Upon law enforcement going back to Frances Caso's house where Trinity lived with her mom, they actually found drugs, drug paraphernalia, and other items that indicate that Trinity was not in a safe household for someone who was 12 years old. Following Trinity's mother's arrest on Sunday, May 26, she was charged with endangering the welfare of a child and possession of controlled dangerous substances and drug paraphernalia. As of this afternoon, she has also been charged with aggravated manslaughter. And it's crazy because Trinity's father, Jose Perez, actually was fighting for custody of Trinity so that she could go and live with him. However, the courts denied his request and stated that Trinity was in fact safe at her mother Frances's house. Now, if you go back to this court document from 2013 between Frances Caso and her ex-husband, where she is basically asking for alimony, spousal support from, her records indicate that she has expenses that exceed $12,265 per month, $147,180 per year. And somehow she was getting deposits of $21,000 a month going into her bank accounts. But get this, Frances testified that she was incapable of working back in 2013 due to back injuries that she sustained in an automobile accident. Frances, Trinity's mother, did not work for years, but somehow was still making $21,000 a month. And look down at the bottom of this document. It says that her ex-husband said that she had a terrible drug problem. Could this have anything to do with where that large sum of $21,000 a month that she was receiving was coming from? And I guess my question here is, how was Frances given custody of her daughter Trinity when she is accused of having drug issues in the past? She's getting large sums of money without having a job, and none of these red flags were anything that was addressed by Child Protective Services to help Trinity and to get her away from that negative environment. Had Frances Caso's past been addressed, she most likely would have lost custody of her daughter, and Trinity could have been able to go and live with her father in a safe environment where she would have been protected. So to me, this is just another example of the system failing a child. Let me know what your guys' thoughts are in the comments. Make sure to follow for more updates on this case and others. I will be looking into this to see if there's anything else that I can uncover, and I will update you guys as soon as I have anything new.